Hey hosers, how you doing? Can you see that? I can talk without moving my lips. A little strange, ain't it? Excuse me, a little strange, ain't I? I should be going like this. What a retard. Ooh, I'm sorry, bleep that word out. We don't use that word. My daughter teaches or takes care of autistic kids. And she hollered at me the other day for using that word, so I'm sorry. I won't use the word retard anymore. Anyhow, I'm thinking, I just put up that video of this nice handle that I did. Can you see the nice finish on it? Do you see that? It's, I got it. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I was going to show you something that I got that I keep hidden in the back corner of the shop. You know, I'll just stand over here. I've wanted one of these since I worked in the factories years ago and got to use one quite regularly because I like to restore old hand planes and, you know, different things. Of course, I don't have time anymore for it, but someday I will. But I've wanted one of these of my very own for years and years and years and years. And I finally, you know, I don't know, I finally bought one. And it's been hiding in the corner here for at least 6 months. And I'll show you, you know, you can say what you want about that brand. Some guys will do whatever. It's actually made by those guys, which is what it is. It's a good product. It's a YA435. Oh, the A is covered up. So anyways, it's a bead blasting cabinet. So I'm basically going to turn it on and just show you how quiet it is, how nice it is. I had one of the earlier versions because they didn't have this one in production yet, or they were out of production, out of stock, so they had to actually make a bunch. And so the dealer gave me a different one to use in between time because I had a project come up, a fire damaged machine and blah blah blah. We got to use it, so I just wanted to review it a little bit. I'm not getting paid for none of this stuff, but I just wanted to throw it out there. I'm looking for content, man. You know, but I want to show you what I think is cool about it. It's got bag filters in the back, cloth bags. Real simple. Their other version had a like a 30-gallon drum, one of them short little stocky ones with a filter like what's in your air cleaner of your machine. And it was good, it worked good, but it had a single fan. I went with the double, just a little bit more pricey model. It's got 2 fans, 2 filters, and I like it. And basically it's pretty easy to operate. Got a big window here, plug in. Of course I didn't turn the air compressor on, and right now I'm just using the glass bead that came with it. For me, that's enough. It's if I put too aggressive a material in there, then I will be doing stuff with lots of paint and whatever. And when you do too much material like that, it just tends to clog up that siphon tube. So I'm keeping it for stuff like this. Mostly bare metal, rusty stuff. Not a lot of painted stuff, because what happens is, like I said, that paint, the bigger flakes will come off, they'll get stuck in the tube, and it'll work. You just got to do a little more maintenance to it. I got to learn to stay out of that light. Yeah, I'll open it up here and show you. It's pretty slick. There's a little plunger here that shuts the air off so you can't hurt yourself. And plenty of room to get your stuff in there. So, just wanted to show you that. That's about it. And like I said, just using the glass bead And the glass bead came with these. Desiccant. Why not throw them in there, keep the thing closed, and we'll keep the moisture down when it's so humid out. One thing you gotta watch out though for glass. It is slippery. So that's what I'm up to. Close that up. Make sure my gloves are in there. Works really good. So, and no, I don't remember what I paid for it. You have to ask your Snap-on guy, because I'm kind of like always looking for deals, and I always work a deal out of him, and maybe he knows that and raises the price. I don't know, but anyways, he takes care of me. I could have bought something. I could have bought a Harbor Freight or a, what's the other one, Northern Tool or whatever, but you know, he comes here twice a month at least. Yeah, so it's a good product. I really like it. I really like it. And then I take the plastic that it came with. I'll show you what I did here. I'm that way with my own stuff. I cut a hole in the side here. And what I do, because I don't ever want to buy another one. Who would? I just shut it off, unplug it. Here, I'll show you. We'll do a little, watch this. This is Mike's anal retentive way of showing you stuff, okay? So then I do this. Call it what you will, I don't care. Cover that puppy up. That took all of about a minute, hell less than that. And that way when you get those strange people like your friends that come through the shop and they go, hey, you got a bead blaster, can I use that? Huh. Looks like a box. Yeah, you gotta outsmart them. I don't have to worry about letting people, it's not a big deal, but it'll last a lot longer that way because you gotta take care of it. So you spend that kind of money for that stuff, that's a couple grand maybe. But it'll be there for a long time. If I ever retire, or even, I tell you what I really bought it for, is a lot of our hydraulic parts. Not all of them, but a lot of them inside, like when they sit, and sometimes we rebuild Poclane motors, feed roller motors, and they'll get a film of rust from sitting, and it's not really a machine part. It's like doing an alternator or a starter. You throw it in there with the glass bead, it's very soft, not very abrasive, and you can knock all that crud off so it doesn't get in the system. So that's actually what I got it for. So that's my little video of the day. So I hope you enjoyed that. And hey, another thing that's been going on, you know, I'm pushing, I think, 700 subscribers. And that YouTube thing, you know, I need 1,000. I need 1,000. I got like 101,000 views, but I can't seem to get the subscribership up. So I don't know if anybody can help me out with that. And I don't care if you just subscribe to it and don't ever watch me. Anyways, I'm trying to, you know, build and build and build, because when they changed the rules last year, I had 12 months to do that. And so, you know, working on what I can to get the subscribers up. So maybe you guys got some ideas too. Maybe I got to give somebody $1. I don't know, for hitting 1,000. Maybe I should have a contest and say, hey, I'll send you $1 if you're the 1,000th subscriber. Anyways, hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, like I said, I'm not getting paid to promote that. I just thought I'd share it with you guys, and we'll see you next time. Adios.